Hello and welcome to part 2 of moving and decking to put around a new caravan. The plan is to run a single walkaway from the front down to around about here and see drawing on screen, and then this section back to where the tools are standing will be a full layer deck. Something like that. Okay. Day 2. Got up nice and early so I can show you this. Well, I hope that was worthwhile because that was really nice and really cold. Yeah, there's frost on the ground, so hope you enjoyed that. Wee test dance done to check if it's not wobbly, and it was wobbly. I'm gonna do some more test dances. I got plenty done. Better go for a walk on the beach or something, but now for some dinner. Time for a cup of coffee in the dunes. So I hope you enjoyed that build today. It was good fun. It's interesting, it's challenging, and something of that scale. Difficult for Dan to have a whole lot of opportunities to get involved, but he did some. Here's some slow-mo jumping. Just had half an hour to zip down for a quick cold surf this morning, and we gotta pack up and go home. Friday morning, still in Castle Rock, cold, and I suck at surfing. We're back, and you probably can't tell, but it's absolutely Baltic and really, really windy. So what is this, day 3 maybe? But so we're only doing half a day at a time, so it's hardly day 3. Anyway, hopefully we'll get another 2 pieces of decking put on today. So on with the time lapse. It's really, really cold. It's cold. Day 4 maybe now, and day 4, who knows. Yesterday was a really cold and windy shift. Got 2 more panels on. We've got the first step put in, so I'll give you a quick look at that. This bottom step, I've been trying to recycle timber as much as possible, and it's secured well at the back. You can see where we've got a post standing on a pad, basic concrete pad. Will also be supported here. We're going to put another pad in here, and we'll get down onto the path on that side, and another pad here, and this one, which was the first one we put in, is probably in the wrong place. We've got to move it back there, but no matter. I'm going to get this bottom step on and I'll set you up for more time lapse over there. Now, as for the height of the decking and how it's looking, we probably could have been closer to the bottom of the door. The thing is, whenever little feet are here, the door will clear them. I also had a plumbing job to do here this morning. Put a thermostatic mixer on the shower. So yes, job's looking good. We've got another half day work to do here. Hopefully I can get these other flat sections put in and the steps finished, and then I gotta go home, so we'll knock off about 8 o'clock tonight. it's the end of the day. It's 8:30. Well, that's alright. I wanted to be finished by about 8. Close enough. So we got on really well this last couple of days with 2 large sections and the pair of steps built. Is it 2 or 3 steps? I'm calling it 3. Anyway, yeah, that some more strengthening underneath, and of course the access into the sand dunes. I'm going to step out of the wind. It's still really windy. This is great. This part here, really safe and easy for little young people and larger, not so young people. I haven't hardly set foot in the dunes this time, and there definitely won't be a finishing surf tonight. But let's go and take a look, because it looks like there's some nice sky and things up here. So we'll go take a look. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, click the like button, subscribe for more clumsy DIY and homeschooling nonsense and who knows what else. Surfing, bad surfing, worst surfing channel on YouTube.